The world is full of people who are trying to do their bit to save the environment, but many times they don't know where to start. Saving the environment doesn't have to be complicated. It can start with something as simple as reusing plastic food packaging. Yep, you heard that right. Plastic food packaging can be reused in so many ways. Not only will this help the environment, but it will also help you save money. So if you're ready to get started on your journey of reducing, reusing, and recycling, then keep watching because today we are going to show you 8 innovative ways to reuse plastic food packaging. Number 1. Create seed starters from yogurt cups. Yogurt is a great source of protein and calcium, but did you know that the cup it comes in can also be used as a seed starter? Before throwing away those plastic yogurt cups, why not give them a new life? All you need to do is poke some small drainage holes at the bottom of the cup and fill it with soil. Then plant your seeds and water them regularly. In no time at all, you'll have healthy seedlings ready to transplant into your garden. Plus, using yogurt cups as seed starters is much cheaper than buying traditional seedling trays. So why not give it a try? With just a few simple steps, you can easily turn trash into treasure. Number 2. Organize small items using plastic food trays. Do you often find yourself digging through a pile of loose cables and accessories? It's time to get organized with our easy DIY project using plastic food trays. These handy containers are the perfect size for holding all sorts of small items from rubber bands and paper clips to batteries and more. Simply place your items in the tray and snap the lid on top. And if you need to transport your items, just pop the entire tray into a bag or purse. Plus, the clear design lets you see what's inside without having to open the container. So say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. Number 3. Make a portable snack container with plastic lids. If you're tired of lugging around bulky containers for your snacks, it's time for an upgrade. With just a few simple steps, you can transform ordinary plastic food lids into the perfect portable snack container. Not only are these containers lightweight and compact, but they're also reusable and dishwasher safe. Plus, the airtight seal keeps your snacks fresh and prevents spills. So whether you're headed to the gym, running errands, or simply taking a break, you'll always have a convenient way to enjoy your favorite snacks. And the best part, it's an eco-friendly alternative to single-use plastic bags and containers. So why wait? Give it a try and experience the ultimate snacking convenience. If you are enjoying our videos, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us continue creating great content for you. Number 4. Transform plastic wrappers into durable book covers. Looking for a unique and practical way to protect your books? Look no further than plastic food wrappers. With just a few simple cuts and folds, you can create custom book covers that are both stylish and durable. This eco-friendly hack is perfect for students, book lovers, and anyone looking to reduce waste. Not only will your books be safe from damage, but you'll also have a one-of-a-kind accessory that reflects your personal style. So why settle for boring, expensive book covers when you can make your own? Unleash your creativity and give your books the protection they deserve. Number 5. Make a DIY hanging planter from a plastic bottle tray. Add a touch of greenery to your home with our easy DIY hanging planter made from a plastic bottle tray. This innovative hack is perfect for plant lovers and those looking to upcycle everyday items. With just a few simple steps, you can transform a sturdy plastic bottle tray into a unique hanging planter that is sure to impress your guests. Not only is this project eco-friendly, but it's also incredibly affordable and customizable to fit any decor. So why wait? Get creative and add some life to your living space with this one-of-a-kind hanging planter. Number 6. Use plastic bottles to create a DIY bird feeder. Are you looking for a simple yet effective way to attract birds to your backyard? Consider making a DIY bird feeder from plastic bottles. This eco-friendly project is not only budget-friendly, but also a great way to reuse plastic waste. By cutting and shaping a plastic bottle into a bird feeder, you can provide a convenient feeding station for your feathered friends. Plus, it's an excellent opportunity to bond with your kids while teaching them about wildlife conservation. So grab a bottle, get creative, and watch the birds flock to your new creation. Number 7. Turn plastic bottle caps into DIY coasters. Tired of using disposable paper towels as coasters? Why not try making your own coasters from plastic bottle caps? This fun and easy DIY project is perfect for those looking for a unique and practical way to reuse plastic waste. Not only are these coasters highly customizable with different colors and designs, but they are also heat resistant and waterproof. Plus, it's an excellent way to reduce waste and save money. So gather up your plastic bottle caps and let's get crafting. Number 8. Give new life to plastic bags with a DIY tote bag. Why throw away plastic bags when you can give them a new life with a DIY tote bag? This eco-friendly project is perfect for those looking for a stylish and sustainable way to carry their groceries or other essentials. With just a few simple cuts and some basic sewing skills, you can transform plastic bags into a durable and long-lasting tote bag. Not only is this project a great way to reduce waste, but it's also incredibly affordable and highly customizable to match your personal style. So why wait? Grab some plastic bags and let's get started on this easy DIY project. There you have it, folks. From transforming plastic bottles into bird feeders to creating coasters from bottle caps, there are endless possibilities when it comes to reusing plastic food packaging. So don't throw away those plastic items just yet. With a little creativity and some DIY magic, you can give them a new life and make something both useful and eco-friendly. So how will you reuse plastic food packaging? Share your thoughts below. We would love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun DIY projects and eco-friendly tips. Until next time, happy reusing and reducing.